everyone, this is Vaishali Pavaru and welcome to the Wish Ki Comedy Dunya, powered by Surdara Orchestra and co-powered by Angel Graphics. What do you think about my today's topic for this episode? Any guesses? And yes, about language also, Hindi, English, Gujarati, etc, etc. Alright guys, doesn't matter what is the language or topic for today's episode. The main point is that laughter is a very important to our health, so keep smiling. Everyone says that non-violence is a good thing, and I agree, so don't hit me. Non-violence is a good thing, but for non-violence to work you always need an audience, okay? Without an audience, Gandhi would just be some guy who goes around getting beat up a lot. And I know he said turn the other cheek, but I think he meant to make sure कि कोई मुझे देख रहा है, वरना उसको टपली मार के निकल. That's why he said an eye for an eye makes the whole world blind, because he would lose his audience. Hence, he wrote a letter to Hitler, but not to Helen Keller. I am sure the thought of violence must have crossed his mind though, because Gandhi carried a stick for a makeup. If you look at the pictures of the Dandi March, it's a bunch of men working with purpose and sticks. And I think the original plan for Dandi March was to get to the beach, pick up the salt, throw it in the faces of the Britishers. But then Time magazine showed up and he was like, yeah, this salt, my salt, India, proud, yes, make in India. All forms of non-violent protest do not work if you don't have an audience, okay? Just same like your great love make me best anchor ever. I am nothing without your greatest love. If I went on a hunger strike and I forgot to tell people, they would be so confused when I die. ये तो गरीब भी नहीं थी, खाना खाना भूल गई होगी, just order कर लेती. Marching for peace doesn't work if you don't have an audience. This what marching for peace would look like. It would be a bunch of people who would be like, हाँ मुझे पीस चाहिए, तुझे चाहिए, हाँ मुझे भी पीस चाहिए, तो हो गया ना. One guy from the back would be like, we forgot to call the guys who don't agree with us. Now at best, this is just a really long walk with 500 of your friends or a marathon. Just saying like it's a marathon. John Lennon and Yoko Ono sat in bed on 10 days to protest the Vietnam War. I try to pull that off every day. Just every day. I am in bed and my mom is like, क्या कर रही है? War protest कर रही हूँ. कौन सी? सारी. ठीक है, war protest करके हो गया हो तो अलमारी साफ कर देना. But guys, I think it's easy to be liked if you are non-violent, okay? I came on stage and I did not hit anyone. And you guys can like me. But if I came on stage and hit someone and you still laughed at my jokes, those would be a good joke. Would be. But guys, violence is wrong. You can't hit anyone. You should not hit people because they can hit you back also. You can't have an audience for violence because that's not an audience. Those are witnesses. Alright guys, that's my time. Thank you so much for watching Wish Ki Comedy Dunya, powered by Surdara Orchestra, co-powered by Angel Graphics. So guys, don't forget to watch Wish Ki Comedy Dunya every Sunday on YouTube channel Vaishali Pavaru.